children are fascinated by true stories about real people, places, and things. That's why narrative nonfiction is perfect for them. Narrative nonfiction conveys facts in a story format, so while the information found within the text is factual and informative, the style is compelling and lively for the reader. Momentum, an imprint from the child's world, features compelling narratives about the topics kids want to read about. The engaging narration weaves facts and information into these titles, providing a deeper understanding of the subject while increasing reading fluency and critical thinking skills. Remembering 9/11 is the latest addition to this informative imprint. The nation was deeply affected by the terrorist attacks on September 11, 2001. Remembering 9/11, a 6-book series, shares the experiences of those directly impacted by the attacks, providing young readers with valuable insights into this pivotal moment in U.S. history. The series features stories of first responders, civilian heroes, and rescue dogs, showcasing their remarkable bravery. It also explores the experiences of 9/11 survivors, dedicated reporters who kept the public informed, and individuals around the country and world who supported those affected by the attacks. Every title includes a variety of features to captivate readers' attention and bolster learning, including engrossing narrative nonfiction text paired with full color and historical photos. Every book also contains a variety of infographics, including charts, graphs, and maps to help readers understand more about the topic, as well as a Think About It section with critical thinking questions to help enhance readers' comprehension of what they've read. A glossary and an index aid in comprehension, while a selected bibliography and sources for further research encourage curious minds to expand their knowledge. These compelling narratives will offer readers a deeper understanding of the significance and lasting effects of this event. Check out Remembering 9/11, part of Momentum, an imprint from the child's world.